Vidya's tutorial. Okay, actually I thought of making this vlog. Actually now I am having my model exams, so now I am in my college. My model exam got over. Today I had clinical neurology, so I'll be having my final exam in within 15 days nearly. So I'm preparing for it. So because of it I'm not able to make videos. So whatever you have, any topics to be discussed, you can comment it. I'll surely make a video once I have finished the exams. So thank you guys. And anything else you want to know, you can DM, and I'll put the comments in comments. I will give you suggestions. Uh, so yes. And yesterday I had an industrial visit to TechMed. Okay. One of a company which produces the electronics like ultrasound, IFT, and they have many new inventions. So we went yesterday over there. It was a great fun, and also gathered more information, and it was useful. So yes. Yesterday I did that, and today I had lunch. Now I am walking over the corridor. I've given some of the question paper. You can follow me in my Instagram also. Previous year question papers and everything I'll be posting in it. So you can follow me in Instagram. I'll give you the link in the descriptions. Okay.